Meaning of incompletely.
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 Incompletely. The term incompletely is an adverb that means something is not done entirely or not to its full extent. When a task is described as incompletely, it implies that there are parts of it that have been left unfinished or undone. This can lead to an outcome that is not satisfactory or does not meet the expected standards. Incompleteness can result from various reasons such as lack of time, resources, or knowledge. It is important to acknowledge and address any incompleteness to avoid negative consequences and improve future results.